charger cable, torch, knife, tiny little Leatherman, clipper lighter, and then the layer in the middle is hiding 3 plasters, a sewing kit, and another thing that I can't remember, a third thing. But anyway, obviously the middle bit can be made to all different sizes and shapes, so you could have it for, if you're like a cameraman, you could have it for SD cards, or if you were, I don't know, an electrician, you could have it for precision screwdriver bits, or if you were, I don't know, if you worked in an office, you could have it for stationery. If you're a sewer, you could have it for various seamstress bits. But my little modular EDC pocket guide. So I just keep this in my pocket. Everything's all together. Pop out dead easy. Pops back in with a bit more effort, but still pretty easy. This is me trying to do it in one hand, so it's going to look real awkward, but yeah, with one hand it's awkward as fuck. There you go. Using those O-rings that I bought from Aldi the other day and a little bit of laser cut wood.